News 3's first warning weather.
Good morning, I'm meteorologist Myles Henderson. Cold start this morning, but we're on a bit of a warming trend as we wrap up the week. We're headed to the 40s today, to the 50s on Thursday. Still looking at a messy weekend, a mixture of snow, ice, rain, so a lot of mixed precipitation through the weekend, but it is still going to be pretty messy and very cold. Several days in a row with high temperatures only in the 30s from this weekend and into the first part of next week. So we're locking into that very cold stretch of days. Here's a look at our temperature trend. There's your warm up headed to those mid and upper 50s for Thursday. And then that comes crashing down as we head to the weekend. High temperatures only in the 30s for this weekend and for the first part of next week. So today looking pretty good. We'll see sunshine. A few clouds will start to drift in later in the day, especially as we go more towards this evening and tonight. You see those clouds building in. Rain chances still very, very low. Tomorrow you see a couple little blips of green. That's it. So a slim chance, but overall we'll see some clouds in the morning and then back to sunshine by Thursday afternoon. Looking pretty good, especially with those warmer temperatures for us. So rain chances pretty small the next couple of days, but you see those numbers going up quite a bit as we go into the weekend. So that's where that messy weather moves in. Area of low pressure tracking across the southeast, colder air trying to plunge in from the north. But you see here a true mix of colors. And what that shows us is rain, wintry mix, and snow all kind of blended together across our area. So we're probably going to see all different types of precipitation as we go through the weekend, which will make for some interesting accumulation numbers when we get there. So likely starting with some snow, then to a wintry mix starting later Saturday. Could linger into early Monday morning before moving out. Snow and ice accumulation possible. Cold and windy, again, those several days in a row where we're stuck in the 30s, which could cause problematic for refreeze or for that melting process early next week. So we'll look at the next 7 days. You see that cold and messy stretch for the weekend.